How to bold text in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can bold text in WhatsApp. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So if you want to bold text in WhatsApp, it's really simple. First, open up your WhatsApp. And after you've opened up your WhatsApp, just head over to any chat where you want to send a message. I'll just head over here. And this is the bold text I was talking about. Let's compare it with a normal text. And there you can see the difference. Now, to bold the text in WhatsApp, all you have to do is use these two star signs, the asterisk signs. And in between you can start writing whatever you want. Then you can continue with normal text as well, and when you tap on send, you can see the letters which are inside the asterisk are bold, and that's how you do it. And that's it for today as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.